Hey guys, so it's about 118 out here right now. Just got done making a video and uploading it. Oh, look at that. I see a little, let's see if I get close enough. I see a, I guess it's a dragonfly there. There he went. I don't know if you guys could see that or not. But anyway, I got my chickens out here, and you know, normally I come out and I just hose down the coops. This one right here works really good because I hose down the outside, and a lot of the moisture gets absorbed into this right here, and as the breeze comes, it releases it real well to keep the whole thing nice and cool. I plan on building another one of those just because I got so many chickens, because I hatched them out. You know, I want to build one of them for my silkies, which I got some silkies right there, and then I got a whole bunch of silkies that I hatched out in here, all the white ones. Anyway, so I'm gonna hose down all this right now, and then what I got is normally I put up this right here is a misting system, and I'm gonna put that, after I'm done hosing everything down, I'm gonna put that misting system in here and run it along the top here, so it just basically mists everything in here and keeps the chickens nice and cool. Because you can see right now they got their mouths open and they're hot, and it actually feels even better in here than it does out there. So I'm gonna do that right now and try and get this more comfortable for them, because they're definitely suffering with this heat that's happening right now. Got myself an egg. I'll just put that on top of there for now. So that's what I'm doing. Just trying to keep everything. You know, I got to do this when it gets real hot out here. Otherwise, they get, you know, I've had chickens die from the heat. They get older and they just can't handle it anymore. But I try and do the best I can to make it as comfortable as I can for them. But they are somewhat acclimated to it because they do, you know, they do live out here all the time. But this will drop the temperature a good 15 degrees inside there with this light little breeze that we got going. So it'll make it a lot nicer for him. Hose that all down, and I just basically wad everything down just like this. These guys, I normally open this up and give this a spray inside here, just because they hang out inside there a lot. So I'm going to get a kink in the hose so I don't straighten it out. Oh. This is when the wind comes up and I can't get away over it. So yeah, so that's just part of taking care of everything out here, you know. There's lots of work that I got to do every day. Sorry for the camera being unstable. I'm fighting this hose, and it's quite hard because, you know, I got problems with my arms and shoulders. But yeah, so we go in here. Oh yeah, oh, it's a lot nicer in here now, a lot cooler, a lot more comfortable. They're liking it a lot more. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a little look at what I'm doing today. Just part of my work that I gotta do. I gotta hose these guys right here down too, make sure they're staying cool. So anyway, you guys stay cool and have a fantastic day. A little view of my backyard there, and how I live. There's literally nothing here. So, all right, I'll talk to you later.